before the destruction. Gorgeous wallpaper that I'll be so glad to get rid of. What's going to be behind there over that shower stall? Nice plumbing work, the way they tore the tile out. And there's the contractor. Good luck, buddy. And that's what I did all day long. Peed out that piece of concrete that was in that corner, and then that covered that drain pipe to the vanity, and there was a hot and cold water pipe in that as well too, but I've got those cut off now. But that was a really smart idea to pour concrete on the floor like that. Anyway, working on the floor, a little bit of tile left. This is just 4 to 6 inches of concrete that's under the tile floor that needs to get dug out and handed on down to the truck. Anyway, got the walls cleared up. Don't know when that leak happened or whether the shower was put there to cover it up. Salvageable wood. The fun continues. This is my 4th, 5th, 6th trip to the dump. It ain't done yet, so I've been pulling buckets. Actually, I've been handing buckets out of that window down there and coming down here, and Bunny's been untying them for me, and that's how I've been filling that guy up. So here's my last load of buckets. Here's all the wood that was on the subfloor under the concrete, which is how they did floors back in the day, I guess. Well, clean the floor up. Tore down the crown molding, got that wall out of the way. Need to watch where I'm walking so I don't fall through the floor. No one's gonna like that. So I think I've solved this mystery. That knob and tube wiring goes down to our sconce and possibly even supplies power to the outdoor switch. And those pipes, there used to be a radiator in here, so I need those 2 risers, those 2 vertical ones that come up, I need to get those out. I need to drain the whole system and cap those off so I can put a floor in. And I can't believe how much somebody cut out of that floor joist right there. There's nothing left. Good thing the ceiling didn't fall in. Well, I need to start to put the sister joist in. Well, this little exercise has been about a week or so in the making. Cut that piece of pipe out because I need to ultimately install that. I'm glad I had the plumbing inspector come over and give me a little bit of a consultation. Use this Sawzall special blade for cutting iron. It didn't take too long. I've actually got a rope down the hole holding the bottom. Got it held there, braced there, and I actually have it braced up in the attic as well too. So I ended up painting the walls in here because the black tar that was on here was just making me nauseous. Got all my sister joists in. And the double sister joist you see there is what the building inspector told me I need to have because of the huge cutout. That's there. That's where the entrance door probably used to be into this area. Got my plumbing inspection done and my building inspection for all the floor joist. So tomorrow I put on the subfloor. So that right there is cold and hot. That will be going for the wash machine. That's cold and hot. That will be going to the showers, shower drain, water supply for the toilet. That 2-inch port right there will eventually come over here and be for the washing machine. And that's where the vanity will fit. And with a little luck, I'll get most of the ceiling done. I've got both sides framed out for the shower. And decided to take down that old sheetrock that was in the ceiling. Then of course most of the ceiling fell down on me. So I put furring up. And with a little help tomorrow I'll get this section done. And that section in there I may not need furring on. We shall see. Anyway. So that's my final plumbing piece I need to do. That's the drain for the dishwasher, for the washer. And you can't see it, but it drains in the stack in the corner. It's starting to look smaller actually now that I've got all this stuff. This will be the first step in the shower pan. Got some 4mm plastic under that metal lath. And this is called pre-pitch. It's going to give me that 1/4 inch per foot slope that I need before I put the PVC liner in. Everything's pretty much framed out now. Got all 6 light cans. I ended up going with the 4-inch cans. And my electric work is pretty much done. Just need to figure out exactly where the medicine cabinet is so I can put the boxes in for that as well too. A little bit of plumbing. I can get my plumbing and electrical done. That'll allow me to start to cover up walls. But the next job is the shower pan. Okay, step 2, we'll be putting down the PVC liner. That's that mud pack that gives it that slope. Well, there's my water test. I'm not sure if you can see. There's actually water. And it's been here for about 15 hours. And I've got no leaks. So today I'll get that inspected. And that finishes out my plumbing rough. Still need to get electrical over here. Made a minor change in the location of the port that will feed the hand shower. Hope to start sheetrocking today. Got my building inspector to come over and all the framing is good to go. So this might be the last time I see these walls bare. backer board's up. And I was able to use all the insulation that came around the vanity to pack that back wall and this wall. All that styrofoam. Give some insulation, I'm sure. And that's the niche, the shower. So finish up the green board over there and over there, and then the floor. Sheetrock is done. A lot of cuts on that half sheet of sheetrock right there. Different colored, wet location. Sheetrock available at Lowe's and Home Depot. Got the shelf installed, and I've got the non-alkaloid seam tape on all the hardy backer board ready to be thin set. That's probably my best sheetrock work. In that half sheet right there, I've got the water box with the hot and cold water and the dryer box and the electrical outlet all cut out nicely. Just put in the perfect curb. That's that plastic curb form, and the perfect pitch behind it with the weep protector in the middle to make sure the water drains out. Getting ready to go mix my deck mud. Put that in there and give me the perfect slope for the drain. Three coats of mud, and I'm ready to put a primer on. I learned something from the first bathroom I did. Newly framed out window. The corners came out real nice. So get the paint done, and then I can start on the tile. Do a little clean on the floor, tile. Put down the backer board on the floor, and be ready to go. This is my last step before tiling. Contractor mentioned to me I really should put some waterproofing on the backer board, so I went and got this Aqua Defense by my pie. Yesterday I installed the cement board on the floor. This will be the last step before I tile the floor. Bathroom is tiled, needs to be grouted. The accent came out really nice. Now just to do that little inset, that little box there, both of them, took me over a day to cut the tile, mainly because I decided to miter the corners. It took a while. Wasn't a whole lot quicker to do the bench either, but if I knew what I was doing, it'd be done. Finally, another bathroom done. The shower came out just great. I'm very happy with it. bare now because I literally just finished it. Need to get curtains up on the window. Our medicine cabinet was ordered in August, and it's on back order and will be possibly here in June. Nice shelves. Our heater, hookups for a washer dryer. And I'm happy to say, 2 of 2, done.